Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we are gonna start with Bitcoin right now. Today it was a crazy day for Bitcoin. I think Iran said that they want to talk again. Let's see if that's true. So I've just decided to open a trade here, but I'm gonna show you right now everything that we have. On DXY, we don't have any trades on the London session, and we took these run liquidities right now at night, so fuck me because it doesn't count for tomorrow. So if I want to look for any trades, I have to wait for this one to the downside or this one to the upside. Okay, so it fucks me a little bit because I think they were a good opportunity to look for trades with EURUSD and everything, as we took this run liquidity for and previous weekly high. But if I already have a run liquidity, I don't note the previous weekly's highs or lows. Okay, so right now the only opportunity that we have is to come back and take this. I don't know. Yeah, I marked up this. So it will be the only opportunity right now, but the price can continue going up as Trump has an interest for the price to go down on the dollar. Okay, right now that the prices are high on the oil. I don't know if I said it, but yeah, lots of reactions here, lots of liquidity. So these liquidities were going to be taken sooner than later. Okay, nothing on GU. On Nasdaq, I didn't see what happened with that trade that I was trying. I didn't look at Nasdaq today. I've been studying a lot, so of course this gap here and. Yeah. Well, I don't know. It was just something that I was trying. I'm not studying any particular strategy, but it's something. Well, it's a little bit subjective, the strategy, so I don't really like it. My strategies are maybe 95% objective, because the entry point can change depending on how you see it. It's the only thing, like the order block or whatever, but it's the only thing that can change, and more or less I have some type of rules, but are more mental than written. So that's why I say it's subjective, okay? But it could be objective. Right now the strategy is working really well, really good. Yeah, lately having lots of TPs. Right now close to 50% win rate without changing anything. So I think it can improve a lot if we can look for some optimizations, but I want to have all data like from all the years and then look for optimizations, okay? Because first half of 2021 it was horrible, really bad, break even and losing. But right now, second half of 2021, it's been like crazy, really good. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait for all the data. As I said, we had this. I drew this yesterday. I didn't touch it, and we took it down. Lots of buyers entering here, in my opinion, and I think gold is a little bit overbought, anyways, because lots of people were buying here, and I don't think they sold because gold has this aura, to say it in some way, that it's a long-term asset, it's a long-term position. So yeah, maybe people are not selling, and we can see a rotation from this capital to something else, but not sure. Anyways, I have gold. I didn't sell it. I sold silver, but not gold. So why I opened this trade? Well, we had this amazing move up to the upside. Here we have clear lows that I think we are gonna take. We took this high here, so yeah, I just like it. 1 to 2. I could target down here, but yeah, it's so volatile that I prefer not to hold. And let's see what happens. And today I had my stop loss here, right here. I entered it at this point. I saw all these movements here, but as we had multiple positions, I decided not to open a trade, and fuck me. But anyways, right now let's see if this goes down. As we didn't break this, it's a little bit risky. It's after taking the previous daily high, but we can go up, of course, and take the previous weekly high, and well, sort of this liquidity. But we will see. Okay, we will see. On the long term, it's looking really nice here. As I said, if we break this, I think, and if we hold it, like break it, and hold it, I think we're gonna see a movement to the upside. The thing is that if we break it and go down, we could go down here and then move it up, but lots of people are expecting these prices. Well, even these prices down here, and when lots of people expect the same, usually the market does the opposite. Okay, so let's see if it holds. Ethereum looking really good. If we could have an explosive movement to the upside here, it would be really nice. I think lots of people would be trapped and well hype. What I'm gonna say about hype? Yeah, as you can see, 43 already making a good profit on hype. So just waiting. ENA still waiting here, and Solana. Yeah, I'm not buying Solana right now. I prefer to have these three assets. I think they're really nice, and well, hype is really good. I saw it at these prices, and I didn't buy it in that moment because I didn't have the hype platform with the wallet set um and everything, and I faded it. And then when it fell here, I decided to buy. Uh, it was my time. So well, let's see what happens with this trade. I will show you tomorrow. Okay. So well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.